Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a BoB debit credit card online at Bank of Baroda. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop and type in apply for credit card BoB, and then skip past all the sponsored ads, and where it says Bank of Baroda .in, apply for a credit card online in India, click into that. Give that a few moments to load. This is the official website where you can apply for your Bank of Baroda credit card. Alright, from this web page here, just scroll down and you'll see all the different type of credit cards you can apply for. So if you want a Bank of Baroda Vikram credit card, click on apply now. A credit card, apply now. Just scroll down, you got all these different choices to choose from. So for this demonstration, I'm going to select credit card. So click on know more to find out more about these type of credit cards. Alright, as you can see with this credit card, you got 5 times reward points for every 100 spent on dining and online spends. It's got a fuel surcharge waiver, 0 annual fees, basis card usage. Got a few more key features here. And if you like the look of it, just click on the big apply now button, be near the bottom of the page. I'll give this a few moments to load up. And now from here, just put in all your details. Put your title, your first name, middle name, last name, email ID, your PAN number, your mobile number and all that good stuff. And then once you've done that, click on generate OTP one-time password and make sure you confirm these boxes too. So yeah, that's as simple as that guys, how to apply for a BoB debit credit card online.